the ongoing renovation work of the Mormugaon Municipality Heritage Building as complete disaster and against heritage norms, the Vice Chairman of the Goa Heritage Action Group, Professor Prajal Sakhardande, have demanded that the structure should be restored to its original glory. Sakhardande, while speaking exclusively to Goa News Now, claimed that in the name of conservation, concerned authorities do everything other than conservation and are even trying to put a modern ugly structure by desecrating the heritage and the historical character of building.
I am shocked and aghast at the way they have treated a beautiful historical heritage building in Vasco's municipal building. It's really shocking. In the name of conservation, they do everything other than conservation. It is completely disgusting to note that the roof has been changed and a metal sheet has been put on the ceiling, completely in violation of heritage norms, of the historicity of the building. Tiles have been removed, original tiles, wood has been removed, and they have put up, it looks like they are trying to put up a modern ugly structure by desecrating the heritage and historical character of the original building. And this is going on everywhere in the name of conservation. Even here, Agwad jail, the roof has been taken off and some red tiles, red roof metal sheet has been put there. So it is truly disgusting that this is happening just to make money. Huge bills are being sanctioned in the name of conservation, and buildings are being completely denuded of their original historical heritage character. I strongly protest against, object to this, and I demand that our original historical building has to be restored to its original glory. It has to be restored to its original historical heritage character, and the metal sheet has to be taken off. We need its original tiles. The tiles, the woodwork, everything has to be restored, and it has to be conserved as per the conservation norms and not as per the